Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So, in this video, we will guide you through the process of troubleshooting and fixing the issue of our Dell docking station not detecting a monitor. So, we will provide you step-by-step instruction on how to identify the possible causes of this problem and offer effective solution to resolve it. Whether you are experiencing this issue with your Dell docking station or simply want to expand your knowledge on troubleshooting computer peripheral, so this video will provide you with the necessary guidance, follow along and learn how to fix and Dell docking station not detecting monitor problem. So let's start. But before that, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest video in the future. Now let's begin. So here are the solution. First is reboot your Dell docking station. So remove the USB-C connector from your laptop and then detach the power cord from the docking station by checking the blue light indicator turns off. So after this, you have to open your laptop and log into your with NetID credential and then plug the power cord back into the docking station. So the blue light indicator should illuminate. Then insert the USB-C connector back into the dock. So once your external monitor activate, close the laptop and now we have moved to solution to check the physical connection. So verify that all cables are securely connected and are not damaged. So ensure that cables are plugged into the connect port or both the dock station and device. So disconnect each cable and then properly reconnect each cable to ensure a proper connection. So look for power light on your device and then confirm they are receiving power. So we have moved to solution 3. Extend display to multiple monitor in Windows. So right click on the home screen of your laptop, then select display setting from the menu. So either of the screen 2 or 3 representing the monitor you have to select. Then scroll down to multiple display section. So click the extend this display in your drop down menu and then you will see a warning sign will pop up asking to keep changes or cancel. So you have to select keep changes. Now here are the solution for download Microsoft Windows Update. So right click on the start button, then select setting. Click on the Windows update. If the left pane, then select check for update on the right. If update are found, so for allow them to download and install. After the update are installed, restart your computer to complete the process. So because update are necessary to keep your server, your system will be up to date to the version. They have not a glitches and any bugs. So update will clear the any glitches or bugs in your found in your older version of your server. We have moved to solution 5. Update graphic card driver. So press Windows X and then select device manager. Then click on the arrow next to the display adapter. Then right click on your graphics card and choose update driver. So select search automatically and update your driver software. Then after you have to if any update are found, so follow the prompts to install. After installation, restart your computer to apply the update. Now, here are the also solutions for install latest video drivers. So visit the Dell driver website and then search for your laptop model or enter your device service tag. So download the latest video driver available for your model. Then run the downloaded driver install. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. Restart your laptop after the installation. And solution 7, power drain the docking station. So remove the power cord from the docking station and hold down the power button on the dock for 30 seconds, then to drain residual power. So plug the power cord back under the docking station and now press the power button to turn on the docking station. So these are the solutions you have to take when you tackle the problem of docking station not detecting a monitor. So thank you for watching our video. I hope this video is very helpful for your issue. Then we will catch you in our next video.